Hey guys, welcome back to Mybartender. Today we'll be teaching you how to make 4 blackberry cocktail variations you can make at home. First, add 4 to 6 blackberries to your mixing glass. Next, add 6 to 8 mint leaves. Next, add a ½ ounce of simple syrup. Next, add 3/4 ounce fresh squeezed lime juice. Now muddle the ingredients. Now for this drink, you can use a variety of different glasses. Today we'll be using a hurricane glass. Now pour your ingredients straight into the hurricane glass. Next, fill your hurricane glass with ice. Now add 2 ounces of your favorite rum. Now top with club soda. Now use your mixing glass to mix the ingredients. Finally garnish with a lime wheel, fresh blackberries, and a mint sprig. And that's how you make the Blackberry Mojito. Cheers. First, add 4 to 6 blackberries to your cocktail shaker. Next, add 1 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. Next, add a ½ ounce of simple syrup. Now muddle the ingredients. Next, add 2 ounces of your favorite tequila. Next, add 1 ounce of triple sec. Now add ice and shake. Next, salt the rim of your margarita glass and add ice. Now pour. Finally garnish with a lime wheel and fresh blackberries. And that's how you make the Blackberry Margarita. Cheers. First, add 4 blackberries to your cocktail shaker. Next, add 2 lemon wedges. Next, add a handful of mint. Next, add ½ ounce of simple syrup. Now muddle the ingredients. Next, add 2 ounces of your favorite bourbon. Next, add ice to your cocktail shaker and shake until well chilled. I'll fill your rocks glass with ice. Now for this cocktail, we're going to use our mesh strainer to double strain. Finally garnish with a lemon wheel, fresh blackberries, and a mint sprig. And that's how you make the Blackberry Bourbon Smash. Cheers. First, add ice to your cocktail shaker. Next, add 2 ounces of your favorite gin. Next, add 1 ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Next, add a ½ ounce of simple syrup. Now shake until well chilled. Now fill your rocks glass with ice and pour. Now top with creme de mure. Finally garnish with the lemon wheel and fresh blackberries. And that's how you make the classic Bramble. Enjoy. And that's 4 blackberry cocktail variations. Enjoy.